Okay, here's a rhombic dodecahedron. And what that means is rhombic means it has rhombus faces, these diamond faces, and it's got 12 of them. So it's a dodecahedron, rhombic dodecahedron. I could just call it a diamond 12. That would be good. And sometimes I call them dragon eggs. So the cool thing about a rhombic dodecahedron is that its volume is the same as 2 cubes. And oh, we just happen to have 2 cubes over here. And so does that mean these 2 cubes can fit into here? So what do? We open up our cube. It's a nice little volume. And how do we get these 2 cubes in? Well, if you're sort of clever, you might just sort of try to put that in. You can see it does fit nicely, but it sort of leaves this one out in the cold. Or we could do it the other way around, right? Putting it in. So how do we get them both in? You might think, well, maybe we could put one inside of the other. Well, this one is just a little bit smaller than that one, and that's because math and physics. Because of what I'm going to do, this one has to be a little bit smaller, even though technically they should be the same size. So this one cannot go into the smaller one. So can the smaller one go into the bigger one? Well, probably not, because if you try to open up the bigger one, see that it's full. Okay, and by the way, these gorgeous papers, I decorated with the help of Chain River marblers this summer. So how is this going to work? Well, this is something that's very nice. I can take this cube and wrap it around this one, opening it up and closing it up. Here we go. Ooh, that's a familiar shape. Hey, it looks like a rhombic dodecahedron, right? You were just thinking that? And to put this in, I look at this triangle here. I try to find a face that has the full rhombus. And I line them up. See how they're lined up? They fit in it beautifully. And closing it up. There we go.